Hey everyone, have you ever had a really bad day and when you try to talk about it, someone hit you with think positive or stay positive? Or the classic stop being negative. And instead of feeling better, you felt dismissed, alone, and maybe even feeling guilty, bad at the first place. Today we are breaking down what toxic positivity is and why is it so harmful, what to do instead, and so what is it? Toxic positivity is the overgeneralization of a happy, optimistic state across all situations. It's a pressure to only display positive emotions while suppressing any negative ones. It dismisses authentic human pain. It's positivity itself bad. It's when it's used to cover up or silence real emotion that it becomes toxic. For example, real example is problem. I'm so overwhelmed at work. I'm burning out. But toxic response is well, you have at least job, stay positive. Real problem is I'm going through a really tough breakup. Toxic response is there is plenty of fish in the sea, just be happy. Real problem is I'm really scared about my health diagnosis. Toxic response is just manifest healing only. See this? So now the pattern is the intention, which is often to help, is completely bypass that person's actual feelings. So why is this so damaging? Let's break it down. One, it invalidates your feelings when someone says just be positive. The underlying message is your sadness, anger, and fear, and welcome you. This makes you feel your emotions are wrong. You start to believe there is something wrong with me. Number two is it creates shame and guilt if you are told you should be happy but you are not. The natural conclusion is that you are failing at being happy. You feel guilty for not being able to just get over it. Number three is it prevents genuine healing. You can't process an emotion you are not allowed to feel by suppressing negative emotions. Why we don't actually deal with them, we just bury them and then often come out later anxiety, resentment, or even physical symptoms. Number four is it hurts relationships. When a friend comes to you with a problem, you respond with toxic positivity, like you are putting down a conversation. They learn they can't be real with you, which creates distance and inauthenticity. Okay, so we know what not to do. What we can do instead is how can we move from being like positively toxic. Let's reframe those earlier examples. So what is these? Problem is I'm so overwhelmed at work. Toxic is at least you have job, be support. That sometimes you know what's through a breakup. Toxic is just be happy. So supportive is breakup are horrible. If I'm so sorry you are hurting, I'm here for you. Problem is I'm scared about my health. Toxic is stay positive thoughts only. Supportive it's completely normal to be scared. How can I best support you right now? The key shift is now fixing, dismissing to acknowledging and validating. Instead of offering a solution, just offer presence. Use phrases like that sounds incredibly hot. It makes like sense the way I'm here with you. Thank you for trusting with me. True emotional health is being 100% happy all the time. It's about feeling all your feelings, the good, the bad, the ugly, or the allowing yourself to be human. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. So the next time someone shares something difficult with you, try to tell space for their reality, not they should have, and give yourself the same permission. If this video resonated with you, please give thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and I would love to hear your experiences in comments below. Have you ever encountered toxic positivity? Subscribe my channel for more videos regarding psychology and mental health. Thank you so much.